I'm Ellen and this is my GovHack 2013 project. I was really amazed by the range of data that was available, and I found it very hard to choose a data set. I eventually decided on the tourism accommodation data set from the Australian Bureau of Statistics, which breaks down the tourism information by tourist region and by state, which means you can get some really comprehensive information like the number of rooms that are rented out in a certain region, the number of people who are employed in that region, the number of beds. There's also a lot of information on the occupancy rate, which means over a long time this information is very useful. I also decided to see if I couldn't use this data with the Australian Tourism Data Warehouse, which I did end up succeeding on. First thing I did though was I downloaded the last year's worth of small area data from the ABS in XLL form. I then took those XLS files and I saved them into a different format that would be easier to convert to one that was usable. I briefly wrote a program that would and can convert the data in the CSV files, which I converted from XLS, to read in all the data in the spreadsheets and to keep a note of what quarter of the year the data is from, which state the data is from, and to save it to save the data, and also allow any user to export it into an XML file. Then, using that XML file, I created a small website which is a partial view of how you could use some of this data. You can choose which state you are interested in based on which one's in the XML file. At the moment it is only South Australia, but the way I've set it up could make it very, very easy to include other states. Then based on the tourism regions from the XLS file, you can view different areas